Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on baby sweater, cap, socks or on any project. This pattern is very easy to knit. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 4 stitches and add 3 extra stitches. For tutorial, cast on 15 stitches, 12 plus 3, 15. This is our first base row from right side. Skip edge stitch. Knit all the stitches. Second base row from wrong side. Skip edge stitch. Purl all the stitches. Right side. Now we will attach second color yarn. Row 1 right side. With second color yarn, knit 2, skip 3, knit 1, skip 3, knit 1, skip 3, in the end knit 1, knit edge stitch also. Row 2 wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl 2, skip 1, now purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 2, in the end purl edge stitch also. Row 3 right side, with second color yarn, skip edge stitch, knit all the stitches. Row 4 wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. Row 5 right side. With first color yarn, knit 2, skip 3, now knit 1, skip 3, knit 1, skip 3, in the end knit 1, knit edge stitch also. Row 6 wrong side. With first color yarn, skip edge stitch, purl 2, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, purl 3, skip 1, in the end purl 3 stitches. Row 7 right side, skip edge stitch, knit all the stitches. Row 8 wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. This is 8 rows pattern, 4 rows with one color and 4 rows with another color. Repeat these 8 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Bye bye.